sun came rising, we were walking down the lane. 2 fishing poles and an old tin box and coffee from the kitchen. Dad would smile and tell me, son, the fish don't need to hurry. So we'd sit beside that quiet creek and let the morning come. I remember his old blue jacket and the hat he always wore, the way he whistled softly as he opened up the door. We didn't catch much that morning, but I never cared at all. I had everything a boy could need, sitting beside his dad. Fishing with my father beside that old river shore. Those simple days of childhood are worth more than gold. The years may keep on passing, but one thing stays with me: my father's hand upon my shoulder and the river running free. Now my father's hair is silver and his hands have grown thin, but when we sit beside the water, I feel like that boy again. We don't talk about the weather, we don't need to say too much. Some memories live in silence, in the warmth of a father's touch. Fishing with my father like we did so long ago. 2 old friends beside the water, watching the river flow. The world may have grown louder, but here the time moves slow. Fishing with my father is where my heart still goes. If I could have one morning from all the years gone by, I'd take that old fishing pole and meet him at sunrise. Fishing with my father one more morning by the stream. I'd give everything I have for just one more day like that. And when the river carries on, I'll keep those memories forever in my heart.